Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to be 3D printing a stand to hook my microphone receiver box to my DSLR camera. So here's the setup I use most of the time. You've got the little box with the lavalier mic on it that you wear on your belt. And then you have this setup that this end plugs into the camera. And lately this has just been kind of hanging off of the tripod or whatever. So today we're going to 3D print a stand to fix the actual camera setup. That's kind of how I normally record. Our plug plugs in over here. And I've actually found a mount on Thingiverse that can hook into here. Alright, here we are in Thingiverse. Here are the two models that I used. The usernames are Bostrike and Ddansky. What I did for this one, if you can see down here, it's actually like a 3 or 4 part model. It's made to hold a receiver for a microphone, not an actual microphone. Kind of see there's these 3 parts that are glued together and then this little clip. What I ended up doing is I just printed out the middle section and the little clip and glued those two together for the main piece. So I just did these two here, and then I printed out a couple of these, and now I will show you how I installed everything together. We'll have the links to both of these models down in the video description. I'm obviously not using my mic on this because I've got it here to hook to the box. So sorry if the audio quality isn't as good on this. So you see here, this printed with the little holes in it where this can line up and just pop right in like that. Just going to use a little bit of super glue here. You want to be careful with super glue because obviously it sticks to everything. And it can actually change the color on your models. I have used this before, so I kind of need to get the top open. Alright. Just put a couple little dots inside the holes is what I'm going for. Line it up and just hold it there for a couple seconds. What I'm planning on doing with these is, since this cable is so long, I purposely bought it long so I'd have extra. I'm going to place these in a couple spots kind of around the model like this so that I can actually wrap the cable through it while it's sitting on top of the camera. I want to leave this place empty because that's where our dial for the camera is. So I'm just going to put 3 on, do something kind of like that, do the same thing. Go ahead and let that dry for a couple minutes and we'll come back. Next, I've got some double-sided tape that I'm just going to hook this on here with. They also do sell like Velcro and things like that that could be helpful if you want to take it on and off often. I'm not planning on having to do that, but I do still want the option to be able to remove it, so I don't want to glue it or anything like that. So just stick this onto here, get a little back off. Stick it on like that. We can plug our cable in. And route it. So there we have it. Holds everything nicely on there. Let's go ahead and install this on the camera and see how it works. Again, at the camera setup. No, my dog is not dead. He's just sleeping. Max. Max. There you go. Okay, well he's ignoring me, but he's not dead. He's still alive. So here we are back at the camera. So obviously I was just filming here. I'm going to go ahead and I'll pass the camera off to someone else so that we can mount this on here and get it all set up and let you guys see the final product. So we have our little mount here on the top that lines up with our little bracket here on the bottom. Just slide it in like so. Now we want to take our microphone wire and just plug it in like that. Now we've got a nice little stand here. I looked these up online to try to buy something, and they were all super expensive. I made this in, it was probably like an hour of printing, maybe not even that. And I think this works way better, and it's way cheaper. So like I said, see here we didn't put that fourth bracket in, so we can stick it in here and change all of our settings and stuff. Then when you're done doing your video for the day and you want to take it back to a regular camera, you can just pop the whole thing off and go ahead and unplug it, and it's back to a regular camera. Alright everybody, hope you found this video helpful. Just kind of wanted to show what you can do if you're not a super great modeler, kind of how you can put two different models together that are already out there. I'll have both of the Thingiverse links down below so you guys can do the exact same thing if you want. Go ahead and check those guys out. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below with some things that you've made out of different models and things like that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.